Today we're visiting St.Margaret's Church in Braceby. This is a 13th century church, which shows about 800 years of occupancy of the village of Braceby, although the building's been altered many times over the centuries, and you can see that in the fabric of the church. The actual village of Braceby itself is one of the most beautiful villages I've seen around here for a long time. It's absolutely stunning. It's quite an unassuming church. It's got one 17th century tomb, a fairly simple one inside, and it's the tomb of Anne Town, widow of Richard, who was then Lord of the Manor, and she died in 1630. And the style of the church shows that it was never really a very rich area around here. There wasn't a great deal of gentry here. But stunning all the same. And the chancel was rebuilt sometime in the late 19th century. And a lot of the original features would have been removed then, such as the gargoyles and faces on the side of the church and things like that. Originally it was the chapel of the Town family, Lords of the Manor of Braceby in the 1600s. Again, it's really nice that these churches are actually left open for visitors. How sweet that all the kneeling pads have got people's names on. An unusual cornerstone there dating from 1739. I wonder if that was part of a reclaimed tombstone, maybe. The church is covered in carvings.